motion, nigga. We having motion, we having motion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We having motion, we having motion, we having motion, nigga. Hey, we having motion, we having motion, we having motion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we having motion, we having motion, we having motion, nigga. Hey, we having motion, we having motion, we having motion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We having motion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.
Alright, man, rise and grind, man. I'm back at y'all with another video with the Pull-Up King, man. Alright, in this video I'm working on a battery replacement. Got some rain, so I had to tin up. Work smart. Alright, so that battery, that's it right there. Can't get to it up top. Got to take off the fender well, jack the vehicle up, get in the fender well, and get through it through here in order to take that out. Yeah, man. Got it in the air. I'll take off these lug nuts. So those lug nuts are 19 mil. We got these clips we got to take out. Just took these out on this side, right here, and just pull that out. Man, these clips suck. Trying to get these out, terrible. All that, man, just to put a battery. They hide the battery. It's crazy. I hate this design, but it's more money for me. Let's get it. I use a 13 mil. Use a wrench to get that bolt off. Alright, what I did was tilt it like that so I can get to the bolts. Took that one off. Now I'm gonna take the other one off. It's a plug. Got a switch right here. Need to undo that. Alright, so that's what that plug looked like. That's the negative terminal. And that's the positive. It's pretty tough to get up out of there, man. That's that goes over the battery and it pulls the battery down. Gotta go get the next one. We got our battery and battery installation kit. Make sure you get this. This right here extends the battery life, prevents corrosion, and eases future disassembly. So we're gonna make sure we put these on before we put it in. That's all to it. You want to put it red on a positive, green on a negative. You want to add some grease in here. You want to put it on it. Just spread it around it. Alright, I finally got that thing in there. Tight down your 13 mil. Alright, you see I got everything is connected. That one over there is connected. And tight. Make sure your terminals are tight, because if they are loose, you will still die. The battery will still go dead. Alright, that's it. That's how you replace the battery on a Dodge Journey. These hidden batteries. Get that tire on there. Good to go. Alright, so if you're liking the content, man, you know what to do. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment, subscribe. Y'all engage with your boy, man. See y'all next video.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.